Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to do the smoky eye look. And for this I'm going to use Morphe 3503 palette. So I'm going to start by putting the shade Smoked Out, which is a black shade, and I'll put it on my crease, and I'll not smudge it, I'll not blend this shade, I'll just put it on my crease because I want to go from dark to light shadows. Now I'm going to use the dark brown shade from this palette called Smolder, and I am going to go from dark to light. So I'm going to use the dark shades first, then I'll go to the lighter ones. Now I'm going to blend my eyeshadow, and for that I am using the transition shade, and I'm going to put it on the lines that I've made with my eyeshadow, and I'm going to blend it very well. The transition shade that I've used here is Disrupt. Now I will blend the transition shade with the help of a fluffy brush. So we are done with the blending, and now we are gonna do the very easy thing. We are just gonna put the smoked out eyeshadow, the dark shade that I used at first, on my eyelids, and I'm just gonna put it all over. You do not have to worry about blending. Just to make sure that your eyeshadow is seamless, you just have to use a fluffy brush, which you can use it over your creases and blend it well, because you don't want any kind of sharp lines. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to use the shade Stamina, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush, a fluffy small brush, to blend it well. And later on I'm going to use a bigger fluffy brush to blend it well so that I can get a smoky look. Later I'm going to put this black shadow which is smoked out, and I'm going to use a small fluffy brush to put it over my lower lash line, and then I'm going to blend it using the fluffy brush so that I can get a proper seamless eyeshadow. This time I used the foundation earlier only, but I'm going to use the concealer now just to make sure that you have a clean look. And finally we are putting the mascara and the eyelashes, which are from Colorbar, and this is the actual look that I've created. I hope you like this video, and do not forget to like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon, because that keeps me motivated to come up with new videos. Till then, see you next time guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. See you again. Bye bye.